Every Christmas, Santa's workshop rushes to meet the high demand, but the old methods are slowing things down. This year, Santa introduces Analyzer software, the ultimate solution for a high-tech holiday season. With Analyzer software's customizable libraries and built-in machining options, Santa's team can efficiently switch between toy designs and materials, all with optimized part layouts. Analyzer software ensures each gift is built to perfection with automated labeling and detailed quality control, so no toy is left behind. Santa approves. Thanks to Analyzer software, every gift is ready to go, maximizing efficiency and bringing Christmas joy. This Christmas, let Analyzer software be your ultimate production partner. Merry Christmas! Bring efficiency and joy to your workshop with Analyzer software. Visit us online to learn more.